Hey guys, so Dr. C here. So this week lab is going to be a little bit different. And so if you notice, you're going to have your lab experiment, but this week we're not necessarily doing an experiment, it's a handout. So if you notice, when you scroll through, remember your pre-lab assignments you should be doing before the experiment day because this is what your quiz is on. So here's the sheet. So we're going to be talking about electron configurations. And so here is just the background. And then you're going to get to the first part. And so here for your lab this week, it's just going to be doing this worksheet. So you'll read part one and then you'll fill in part one. You can write on another piece of paper or you could just write it on this piece of paper. Then you'll go through here. Part two, it kind of explains what electron configurations are and the background behind it. And then you need to do this part. So you'll fill out the questions, write the electron configurations, answer these questions. Okay? Same thing, so each part has an explanation and a procedure. Okay? And so I'm gonna post this one. I'll also post a student version where it's only the little sections where you have to fill it in. So if you don't want all the explanations, you just want a shorter version, you could do that one. Okay? But it's the same thing, it just has the questions only, not the explanations in that document. You do not have to write a lab report this week. Your grade is this. Okay, so your grade is going to be going through and completing this, and then I will be grading this document. So once you get this done, you can scan it as a PDF, take pictures of it. As long as I can read what you have, that's fine. And you're going to upload it just like you would upload your lab report onto Miles Massey. Okay? The rest of the videos that you'll see on Miles Massey are going to be videos from my lecture. So you should have already had lecture on all of this topic. But say you get to a section and you're not as clear on how to do that part of it, then you can go down below and you can click on my lecture and watch my lecture that explains how to do that. If you're in my lecture class, it's the same stuff we did in lecture, so you don't need to rewatch it. If you only have me for lab, then if you are confused about it from your lecture teacher, you want to hear it from a different perspective, then you can watch my lecture videos. The videos after this are not required for you to watch. They're just extra to help you understand the background so that you can answer these questions. But if you feel good on your lecture videos from your lecture class, then you can just knock out this lab by just filling out the worksheet and being done that way. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. But this is filling out this worksheet is your lab report for the week, and then you also have your quiz as usual. All right, so good luck.